So the way you do it is when you're starting a row, not when you're finishing the row, when you're starting it, what you do is you crank for 2 stitches. Okay, don't let that 3rd stitch come up, and then crank it back. So they'll be loose here, and then they'll be easy to take them off. Okay, so I have 2 stitches here on my hook, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna crank it back until that peg is back open. Just a little bit, it doesn't need to be much, so that makes it easier for you to increase the next stitch. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the loop on the back of the 2nd stitch, not the loop in between them each way, the loop right on the top of the stitch, which is this one, and you're gonna put this one on that peg. Because the peg's not open all the way to the top, it's easier just to put inside, so make sure you put inside the hook and then down, and then you can crank back so that 2nd one is almost down as well, through, because they're gonna be a bit tight, okay, as you can see. So I put it through again, through the 2nd peg here, and then the 3rd peg. So make sure you put them on the right direction as well, not twisted. The same way you took them out of the pegs, you're gonna put them back in the pegs. And there you go. So put underneath here and inside the yarn guide, and then you can start cranking it back. Now make sure they are down right on the bottom of the peg so you don't lose any stitches. And there you go. It's gonna be a bit hard to crank, so you have to put the yarn down to the bottom of the first few pegs, just because we had to squeeze the yarn in another peg. But after that, it goes just fine. That's it, guys. That's how I increase stitches. I increased on this side and on this side as well.